how to restore missing chat history in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to restore your missing chat history in your Facebook Messenger. If you have ever found yourself unable to see important messages, this video is for you. So let's get started. Open up your Facebook Messenger app, and then you'll need to go to your bottom right and tap on the menu button. Now go ahead and tap on settings and scroll down to find privacy and safety. So here you'll find end-to-end encrypted chats, which is often the reason you can't see your messages. So tap on it and then tap on message storage. So this feature encrypts your messages, which can prevent them from syncing on new devices. So to fix this, I recommend setting on a PIN. So tap on turn on secure storage, and once you have turned it on, you can see the reset pin option. So tap on reset pin and then make it a memorable pin so that you can use it to switch to a new device and the chat history will be restored. So confirm your pin, and then that's it. This will help you sync your messages across devices. You just have to put in this pin on the new device. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.